Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the off-grid cabin build vlog here on our homestead in North Idaho. Check out the progress we made yesterday. Look at that. Oh man, it's coming along great. It looks so different now.
It looks amazing. You can really see like the shape that the house is gonna be now. So cool.
Why are we dressed like this? Because it's like 20 some odd degrees this morning. It's icy cold out here, guys. We're making progress. We've got blue skies, man. It's a good day to get some work done. The kids are with Grandma and Grandpa in town, doing some town airing kind of stuff. Jules and I are gonna try to bust out this side right here. All right, we're making good progress. Let me show you where we're at right now. Oh, let's look through here. This is a cool view. Bam, guys, look at that, huh? It's starting to really look like a house in there. So let me show you this side here. This is all we've got left for the sheathing. Right there, that little bit, 21 inches. 21 inches by 44 feet. Oh, and then the sheathing, the main sheathing will be done. I forgot, we gotta do the dormer still. But right now, Mark is framing up the walls for the dormer. Let me show you that here real quick, and then we're gonna jump on the roof. So we got the dormer here. We'll have to do the sheathing on the dormer, and it's muddy, slippery, almost fell. All right, so we got the wall for the dormer here. And then get the other wall on, sheathe the dormer. We'll be having things. So let's jump on the roof and get that ridge finished. We borrowed this harness here from Jake. I've never used one before, so let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm guessing that your legs go through here.
Looks like you're putting on pants.
I know, huh? Don't want to get them all muddy since they're Jake's. Okay, so my guess is it goes on something like this.
It looks like you're getting dressed.
Feels like I'm getting dressed. Then probably pull that tight.
Something like that. It'll probably become very clear after you're hanging from the roof.
Probably. Well, I'm gonna try it right here.
Oh, okay.
All right, so we got this. This is part of the other thing that we bought. That was the fall harness. So we're just gonna use that with it. So there you go, man.
Does it feel comfortable?
Is it comfortable? It's not bad. I mean, it's kind of tight around your waist, you know, but I mean, it's holding up all my weight right now.
Yeah. Try like jerking like your body. Yeah. Looks good. It's not slipping or anything.
You need to work, so let's pretend that I need to work right down here. Just squat down. Then you can work right there. Gotcha. And then you could move to the side. I think it'll work. What do you think?
Safety Sally's saying stop.
You can move this guy up and down the rope somehow. Yep. There you go. You can go out further. That is painful though.
Wow.
You ready?
Ready.
All right, let's go.
Wait, let's go take out a life insurance policy on you first.
Good idea.
How does this harness compare to the one in the bucket?
Well, this one connects in the front, so you can lean back and, you know, be at the base of what you're working at. All right, so you can lean back like this and work right here. The other one hooked in the back.
Is it more comfortable?
Yeah, well, I didn't try the other one, but
yeah.
Mark said that it tried to, it wanted to spin you around backwards.
But your shoes aren't slippery?
The roof?
Your shoes. Ah, pretty good.
A little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, you would fall for sure.
Yeah.
But I mean, you could generally stand and walk a little bit on it, right, without really using the rope. But as soon as you slip, that's it.
And we have a 9-12 pitch, right?
9-12.
That's pretty steep.
Yeah.
That was steeper than like most people's roofs.
Yeah. I think like the most common is a 412.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, so we got only 3.5 more pieces to nail down.
Okay, 3.5.
Yeah, it's going a little slow, but I think it's better safe than sorry.
Slow and steady rather than fast and careless.
Yeah.
It's
We'll be
looking
done
really
here,
good.
I guess, in 30 more minutes to an hour.
Woo!
It's coming along pretty good, guys. Almost done. Almost. I think I said that a bunch of times already.
Got like a half a sheet left.
1.5 sheets. That's it. And we'll be ready to start doing the ice and water shield, hopefully today, if it doesn't get too cold. It's supposed to be 50 degrees or warmer for that, and it's just like 51 or 52 today for the high. So hopefully we'll be ready for it.
Harness seems to be doing really good.
Seems to be. So far so good. Yeah. Haven't fallen yet at all. I just slipped a couple times, but besides that, it's doing really good. All right, let me finish nailing this one off, and maybe the next one,
Then lunchtime.
then we'll have lunch. Finally, guys, check it out. Ta-da-da! Why is that one all green? Good question. That's because it was the top one on the unit that we bought. And so they spray all the sides, the edges of it with green. That is the overspray on that first top sheet right there. That's why it's green. And that is where we're gonna end it for today. If you wanna see more about what's going on here on our homestead, there's a video right over there that you probably wanna go ahead and check out. Otherwise, guys, I hope you have a really great day. Keep smiling, and I'll see you right over there in that video in just a second.